you know, I'm talking.
I don't see any question. I don't see any question there.
No,
You
I'm
already
going,
have the answer.
I could ask.
No. You think that you have questions. You don't have any questions. I don't see any questions.
But I didn't say.
No, you don't even have to say.
Well, I don't know.
What, Mr. Mahesh Bhatt?
Yep.
Come on, help us.
Build up. Build up there.
Build up. You look at a beautiful beach.
There's a build
And
up.
you are attracted to her.
Then?
And the whole thing, you say, I wish I could embrace that beach, fuck that beach.
Yeah.
All that is the build-up I am talking about.
Yeah.
And why you don't do it? Why you sit here and what would happen if I grabbed her? Why?
Because
you are a frightened chicken.
Because, yeah.
Your
because,
nonsense taught you should not do that. Morality comes into the picture. She
same-
slaps you, get slapped, buddy.
No, but because I...
No, because
No, because I actually...
you are not doing anything anywhere.
I want to be sure of the result before I act.
Yes, that's why you are not doing anything. There is no action there. No action. What to do, how to do. That's why you ask how all the time. That's the action. You don't do it. I'm sorry to give a crude example. Bob, help me. It's a waste. You don't do anything in any area of your existence. If you want, if you are hungry, you don't just sit and discuss about that food. What is the right food? Health food? Vitamins? All that nonsense. Anything you get. Eat mud, sawdust, anything. Come on, Bob, you have not answered my question. It's a very serious question.
Eugene,
Yes.
you said we were talking the other day about sorrow.
I didn't. He was.
Yeah, he brought it up, but you said it like comes through the generations. Is that what you had said?
You are listening to all that crap on the ending of sorrow. That fellow is not free from the sorrow, otherwise he wouldn't talk about that. Whoever is talking of. The experience of a silent mind. It's all bullshit. Nothing else. What is the sorrow you are talking about?
You know, you keep on saying something which I'm battling with every now and then as it's not there.
What is it that
It is there.
What is there? You tell me.
My frustration is concrete, real. My sorrow is concrete, real.
Not
and you
at all.
just say it's not there.
Where is it?
It is there
You
inside
are
me.
just talking about
It is there.
because it is not there, that vehemence is coming.
No, it is there. I feel
Listen,
it.
it's not
I
there.
feel it.
No, where?
I feel it inside my body as a physical ache. I
No,
feel
but
it.
it is throwing out that nonsense.
No, it is there.
It is not there.
Frustration, the
Where is that
sorrow
frustration?
is in the body.
No, it's not there.
It is there in the body.
No,
And
it's
you
not.
say it's not there.
Where is it?
Inside this body, it is there.
It is throwing out. You see.
What is throwing out?
It is not throwing out. You are just talking about it. It is not there.
It is there.
No, you say that it is there. I say it is not there. That's the end of the conversation. Finish.
For you, it
I
is
don't.
not there.
For you also, it is not
For me,
there.
it is there.
You are just talking about that
It
nonsense.
is there for me. It is there for everyone.
I don't say that.
But
How is it expressing
you are
itself?
the only person who it seems to not be there.
No. It's not. It is not there.
That is why a man like J. Krishnamurti or a writer like that
You go
makes
there.
more sense to me than you.
Yes, certainly.
His frustration makes more sense to me. I can relate to that frustration.
He was a frustrated
Not to
bastard.
you.
No, why the hell?
Not to you. You don't seem to understand what
I
we are talking about.
understand you.
No, I don't think so.
No.
You say there's no sorrow, there's no despair, there's no frustration.
Why the hell you are still trying to be free from that frustration?
That's what my whole tragedy is. I'm still trying to.
Why you are still? Who is that? You have no problems.
Downstairs, they didn't call me.
What you are dealing with is
That's the point. I have no problems. Then what?
solution.
Then what? If there is no problem, then what? What do
Only
I
the
do?
solution given by those bastards you are dealing with, not the problem.
Okay.
What you are dealing with is solution. Only the solution given by those bastards you are dealing with, not the problem. Only the solution given by those bastards you are dealing with, not the problem.
Okay.
Only the solution given by those bastards you are dealing with, not the problem.
Okay. No, then it is.
That is not the
It's not
solution.
problem. It's not about problem what he's talking about.
No, it is the solution he has offered for your non-existing problem
Who?
that you are dealing
Who
with.
you talking about?
All those bastards,
Ask Jed.
starting
He's
with
the only
Jesus.
one I've been in kind of contact with.
Huh?
Yeah, and he was saying that there is nothing like frustration, that we are all blissed out, we are all silenced, we are all something that is there and we are just not able to feel it. And then what? You're saying exactly the opposite.
Yeah. Yes.
So what?
So
what
what?
is the truth? What is the point?
What is the point? I'm asking you.
Yeah, but why is he spending sleepless night? Why am I spending sleepless night? Why we all look like
You are the one that
like chicken here, sitting and looking at you like that? Why? This I know, because otherwise I wouldn't be sitting
You
here.
say I know, but what is it that you are doing about idiocy?
I don't know, I'm doing nothing. I'm doing nothing, I'm here, like
You are saying
listening
that-
to you with eyes popping out
No,
and
no,
listening to you.
You say that you are an idiot.
No, you said that and I confirm it.
What is it that you are doing about your idiocy? Is there any word like idiocy? You are an idiot. What are you doing?
About it, well, I mean,
No, don't bring her into the picture.
if it's not into the picture, then
Yes,
what?
yes.
And money, her, money, you,
Yes.
that's all is in the picture.
Don't include me.
Just include yourself.
Leave her alone.
But it's true what Mahesh say, because I mean, I've been talking with him. Remember the morning I walk in and I said, what is it? And his frustration, sir, down the
You
bottom,
are
his
just
frustration.
what you see. What is that frustration you are talking about?
What is it? It's
Yeah,
like being
put it-
being unsatisfied with what I have,
Yeah.
have nothing in the future that can pull me to do things.
Right. What is it that you are doing?
Your state is falsifying me. You say the frustration is not there.
Yes.
I'm being frustrated. Your state is falsifying me.
No, not at all.
You say there's no frustration.
No.
I say it's frustration.
You are just talking.
Of
some-
course, your state is falsifying
Make
me.
a movie and make money.
No,
there.
you have no idea what we are feeling, and you say there is no frustration.
You are. I don't.
You ask Robert. That's what we're talking about. Ask Mario.
Yeah, all of you can get together.
You can sit down and say. You can sit
Yeah,
down.
but then when we
Yeah, you can sit down and say there's no
Dance
frustration.
together in the streets. All the frustrated
Yeah, but
bastards
I mean,
there.
sir, we are at the point that when we talk together, nobody
You
has
go
anything
there.
to say. And nobody has anything to say. We look into each other's
No,
eyes and we are all
no, go
talking
to
to each other.
the
Nobody's
tennis court
listening.
is free. All you bastards full of frustration, go and dance and sing there about your frustration, and make a movie about that.
They make a movie.
What about opening a restaurant?
That is better than talking about all this nonsense.
And then have the climax.
And then you can feed them people.
Okay, how about physics?
What physics?
Does the when we were talking the other morning and Mahesh was talking about frustration and sorrow.
Why you are talking? You know you are mechanically
Okay,
repeating.
forget it,
Just
okay.
listen. You really are not talking anything. You are just saying frustration, frustration, frustration. They are all empty words.
Okay, the energy in the body.
No,
that-
you are just repeating
What?
that nonsense.
That's
where
not what I-
I
that's
don't
what I-
see there anything except these empty words. I'm frustrated, I'm frustrated, I'm frustrated. And you
Okay.
put more energy into that.
Okay, let's drop that.
And then nothing else to talk about it.
But
Frustration
you
is
say you're living the natural
Don't
state.
bother about me. I'm talking about you.
But you say that that's the natural way that the body, everybody's body,
What?
naturally would live.
It is throwing it out because it has no place for that.
It's like you say, there's some level of hope
Yes,
that there will be a change
that there will be a change.
because I'm not satisfied the way
When? Yes.
that I'm living.
Yes. Why you are not satisfied with
And-
the way
and-
you are living? This body is interested in eating and fucking, nothing else.
Because I'm
To live
comparing
and
the
to
way I'm living
reproduce.
to you.
Nothing else is there. So anything you are saying about the body is totally unrelated, not interested. It's a shit, throwing out.
But then why after your calamity you stop talking?
Don't worry about that, you see.
Yeah,
Don't.
but I mean, you're saying that, but then I mean, the reality is that.
Is
you
that
stop.
then why you don't do it? Why you are making it a big thing? Why you are choosing a particular bitch to shit? All holes are the same. Why there is a choice?
Yeah,
for
but what
it?
happened to you that?
Don't bother about what happened to me. Nothing happened to me. You read wrong books.
And it's,
So is UG, is choice the problem?
Hmm?
Is choice the problem?
What choice?
So the body, you say, has a way.
Leave that body alone. It's not interested in choice. Not interested in anything you are interested in, what you call you. So, what is the hope you are talking about? Hope is related to something. Hope, what? You hope that one day you will get what? What do you want to get?
To be, if I'm honest, what
You are dishonest,
when
Pastor.
okay, so I'm a dishonest person, of course, because I'm
It's all
here.
right with me. So don't move further from there. No further movement is necessary. You say, I'm an idiot, I'm a dishonest man. What is it that you are doing about it? It doesn't mean anything. There must be some action there.
But for me to take the action and walk out that door
That- you
doesn't
will
make
go
a
some-
damn difference if I stay here or walk out.
No, you will
I'll be
go
the same
somewhere else.
person.
You will go somewhere else.
That's what I mean.
Fine, go.
I don't want to go someplace
Then
else. But my question, which
Yeah.
you'll cut,
Yeah.
was: does the body? You say that you're only the body. You're not some spirit. You're not something else.
Yeah, then
There's
what?
no-
Why do you act?
Because I'm asking.
Listen, where do you go from there? No argument there. Either you have to accept this totally or walk out. That's all. Nothing else.
I accept.
No, you say I accept.
No,
What does it mean?
I accept that you're living the way you say.
No, what I accept does not mean anything. What is the action there? I accept. There is no room for one more word there. I accept, but you continue to do that. You are just continuing to talk. I accept, I accept, I accept. You think you are fooling me?
But I don't know how you're living.
Yes. Why are you
How can
concerned
I
about
ex-
my living?
How can I stop? How can I stop the movement of that thought all
How
the time?
means you want to
I do
know.
want to know.
You want to know.
I'm not lying. I do want to know.
Yeah, I am not the person to put all that shit in you. Go somewhere else. All that they have done and put there in you is that shit. How? The how has to go.
But I'm lying if I sit here and say I don't want to know. It's a lie. The body doesn't have a natural
Just
intelligence.
forget about it. It has intelligence, and what is the point?
But the point was, my main question was, because the body, like the way that you're living is a natural intelligence.
The way I am living is like the dog there.
Right.
Are
Okay.
you ready?
So the dog
No
and you.
further conversation necessary. All that is coming out of me is the barking of a dog. Nothing else. You are the one that is making this barking, turning this barking into a language, English language. You are taught how to space this barking that is come out of this individual. The individual does not even know that he is saying things in English. He doesn't know. And you want to know. I cannot be of any help there. Try somebody else. Good luck to you. Go anywhere, do anything you like. That's the only thing that I'm saying. All frustration, right? Poetry, some nonsense, romantic stuff. What frustration? What is it that you are doing? I don't see any frustration. I have frustration. What the hell you are talking about? Not getting what you want. That is the frustration.
The wanting
What
to
is
know.
it that you want? You want to be free from frustration.
Yeah.
Huh? Then you want me to tell you how I can be free from frustration. That is the one that keeps the frustration there. The how is related to the frustration. So you don't want to be free from frustration. You want to live with it, romanticize it, and make movies and make money. Sit on a platform and talk about it. Don't condemn it, don't justify it, don't identify yourself with the frustration. Be choicelessly aware of that. One who is choicelessly aware of that frustration is the frustration. There is no frustration other than that bastard's statement, choicelessly aware of frustration. That is the frustration. Because you will never be free from that. That's a joke. Be choicelessly aware of frustration. Just to look at it. That doesn't exist. This is the only thing that exists. These empty words that you have picked up somewhere else. That's all. So you don't want to be free from that. If you are really interested in freeing yourself from that which you are not, That shit must go.